Your good name?
Myself, Krishna Solanki, sir.
Krishna Solanke. You are studying in which
I am
course?
studying in this implant training program, which is conducted by Maxim CAD/CAM Solution Nanded. And in this, they have studied this two softwares. First software is the CAD/CAM AutoCAD. The second software is SolidEdge. After that, yesterday I have been, sir have told to us that this ANSYS software is one of the most important software, and you have to suppose you have to understand these figures in 2D. Then you can analyze this software. You can analyze these figures or in CAE softwares. This ANSYS is one of the important analysis software. In that software, you have to analyze the figures. And this.
Okay. So this is the software you are using,
Yes.
and you are preparing which design?
Sir, I have this prepared this design in SolidEdge. After that, I would like to make some of the corrections and analysis of that figure, and therefore I have imported this figure from SolidEdge to the ANSYS software.
Okay. This figure leads to any agricultural machine?
No, sir, it is not agriculture machine. It is one of the.
Can it be rotavator part?
It can be possible to do the rotavator part, but sir, I have not promise.
Okay. Your theme constraints are to just prepare a model.
Just prepare a model, and this is I have made this model in SolidEdge.
Okay.
By using this commands.
Okay. You are using only modeling, geometric geometric modeling?
Only modeling, sir. I am not modeling only, not assembly.
Not assembly.
Just use modeling.
Is it through extrusion, sweep, revolve, like that?
Yes, sir. It is extrusion. Extrusion is in SolidEdge. The word extrusion it similar to the post-extrusion word is used in SolidEdge, and extrusion word is used in AutoCAD.
Achha. Can I know how this software can be useful to the agriculture engineering?
Absolutely correct, sir. Because this software is much important to the agriculture. Because if you use this, suppose if you made model one of the agriculture models, then if you directly use this model in agriculture field, at that time, at which force the model will break, you know that by using softwares.
Okay, this aim of the study is to get the model prepared for stress analysis of the agricultural machines which are interfaced with the soil, and a soil versus tool interface you are easily you can predict with this help of software.
Yes, that is absolutely correct, sir.
Absolutely. So you can do what type of analysis?
Sir, still I have not studied
Structural?
more than that. Only structural.
Structural analysis.
Structural analysis.
So how does the
Because the software which will the name of that software which will selfly indicate that ANSYS is nothing but the automated net generation structural design, structural analysis.
Okay.
Automated net generation structural analysis.
Okay, structural analysis, you need which kind of parameters to be used for agricultural machine design and its structural analysis, like for example a modulus of elasticity.
Modulus of elasticity, strain, stress.
Okay.
You should know the number of forces which are acting on that model.
Okay.
And, suppose if you are using this model in the soil, then what are the soil register force which is acting on that model?
Okay. Can you show some of the exposed model which you have prepared up till now?
So this is the model I have prepared.
What are the assignments you have done before this? The total number of assignments if you have done.
This is model.
This is model.
Then next, sir, I will show you one.
show me, you open your just all files which you have done. Open your folder and get me that how many number of cases, I mean the model you have done. Okay.
After I practice on AutoCAD 2006 software, this software in which I have made this number of figures.
Okay.
From starting of training from.
Can you open just one by one immediately, quick? Make a quick.
Sir, I have quick.
Open those files.
This is one of the figures.
Okay, this is the components which is used in automotive device.
Any mechanical parts.
Any mechanical.
Say I have made this by using this polar command.
Polar command.
Polar.
Okay.
Then you cannot directly just try to make the number of circles. At any time yesterday you can make this number of circles at any time.
Okay.
Second
आम्हाला थोडंसं आता मराठीत एक ब्रीफ आयडिया देत राहा, कारण ज्यात तुम्ही जे काही आता सॉफ्टवेअर शिकतायत त्या सॉफ्टवेअरचा एखाद्या ॲग्रिकल्चर मशीन कॉम्पोनंट्सचा कसा बनवण्यासाठी उपयोग होतो, असे एक ब्रीफ आयडिया जसं देता येईल मराठीत थोडंसं सांगा.
मध्ये सांगायचं झालं तर सर ह्या सॉफ्टवेअरचा कुठल्याही मेकॅनिकल पार्ट बनवण्यासाठी एकदम महत्त्वाचा उपयोग आहे. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला जर त्याचा समोरचा व्ह्यू कसा असेल, पाठीमागचा व्ह्यू कसा असेल हे जर पाहायचं असेल, ॲक्युरसी जर आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर त्याची पहिल्यांदा डिझाईन करावं लागेल. सर जेव्हा आम्ही मॉडेल तयार करत होतो आमच्या ॲग्रिकल्चरचं जेव्हा प्रोजेक्टच्या वेळेस तेव्हा आम्ही ते न डिझाईन करता डायरेक्टली प्रिपेअर केलं होतं. आम्हाला एवढे प्रॉब्लेम आले होते, फेस नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स. इफ I have at the time of project, if I have designed this model in AutoCAD, then it would definitely require less time to manufacture it.
ओके.
हां सर, आम्हाला खूप वेळ लागला होता, त्याच्यामुळे प्रॉब्लेम आले होते. त्याचा फेस सिलेक्ट करताना मग मटेरियल आमचं कमी जास्त झालं होतं, ते आम्हाला जास्त खर्च.
बरं, ड्रॉइंगपर्यंत ठीक आहे. सपोज हे ड्रॉइंग हा पार्ट या ठिकाणी आपण चांगल्या पद्धतीने बनवू शकतो. तर ड्रॉइंग व्यतिरिक्त ह्या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये पुढे काय करता येईल आपल्याला? ड्रॉइंग झाली नंतर
ड्रॉइंग म्हणजे एकदा जर कमांड शिकल्या तर हे नुसतं म्हणजे इट इज नॉट अ सॉफ्टवेअर, इट इज लाईक अ हार्डवर्क.
ओके.
जेवढं तुम्ही जास्त काम करता तेवढं तुम्हाला कंपनीमध्ये जास्त तुम्हाला रोजगार दिला जातो, जास्त पेमेंट दिलं जातं.
अच्छा, यानंतर आपण याचा सॉलिड पार्ट बनवतो.
याचा सॉलिड पार्ट आपल्याला डायरेक्ट बनवत असलं तर कटिया सॉफ्टवेअर सर युजफुल आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण जर डायरेक्ट जर आपण असे त्याचं जर एक आयसोमॅटिक व्ह्यू जर तयार केला तर त्याचे आपल्याला साईड व्ह्यू, टॉप व्ह्यू, बॉटम व्ह्यू जे पाहिजे ते आपल्याला म्हणजे डायरेक्टली एकदाच मिळून जातं.
ओके.
AutoCAD तसं नाही असेल. AutoCAD पण दाखवतात,
हो,
पण तुम्हाला जास्त त्याच्यामध्ये कमांड यूज करावं लागतात, जास्त कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होतं.
अच्छा. बरं, आता ह्याच्यातल्या दुसऱ्या फाईल्स पटपट ओपन करून दाखवता येईल. ओके. ओके, अजून दुसऱ्या. अच्छा. वेगवेगळ्या कॉम्पोनंट्सच्या तुम्ही जॉमेट्रीज डायमेन्शन सहित देऊ शकता, त्याला मॉडिफाय पण करू शकता,
मॉडिफाय करून
त्याच जागी मॉडिफाय करू शकता.
दुसऱ्या पण दाखवतो.
ओके. यातली सगळ्यात तुम्हाला जास्त आवडलेली तुम्ही बनवलेली ड्रॉइंग जर असेल ती दाखवलं तर अधिक चांगलं होईल. अच्छा.
Sir, I have made this in AutoCAD 2010.
Okay.
Actually, this AutoCAD is only the 2D software for
Okay.
design only the 2D. But if before I am understanding this SolidWorks software, I have made this in 2D.
Okay. You have made it in 2D, and then it is. Can it be converted into 3D?
Can it be converted into? You can see, sir, now which side you talk to directly by using the shortcut key. That is, suppose you have to back to, then you have to control B using for back to.
Okay.